Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream. It's reshaping our reality. From self-driving cars to smart assistants, AI is everywhere. But how did we get here? And what's next in this technological evolution? This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AI is making waves across industries, from healthcare to finance. It's not just about automation, it's about enhancing human capabilities. Understanding AI's impact is crucial for everyone, as it touches every aspect of our lives. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by improving diagnostics and patient care. Algorithms can now detect diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before. This means better outcomes and more personalized treatment plans for patients. AI-driven technologies are reducing human error in medical procedures. Robots assist surgeons with precision, minimizing risks. The future of personalized medicine is bright, with AI tailoring treatments to individual genetic profiles. In finance, AI enhances fraud detection and risk management. Algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to spot anomalies and potential threats. This proactive approach safeguards assets and builds trust. Automated trading and financial forecasting are now AI-driven, offering speed and accuracy. AI personalizes customer experiences in banking, tailoring services to individual needs and preferences. AI optimizes production lines, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Machines learn from data to streamline processes, saving time and resources. This transformation is redefining manufacturing standards. Predictive maintenance powered by AI minimizes downtime by anticipating equipment failures. AI also plays a crucial role in quality control and supply chain management, ensuring products meet high standards. AI is revolutionizing inventory management and customer service in retail. Smart systems predict demand and optimize stock levels, reducing costs and improving efficiency. Personalized shopping experiences are now possible through AI recommendations. By analyzing customer behavior, AI suggests products tailored to individual tastes, enhancing satisfaction and loyalty. AI is reshaping e-commerce and logistics, making deliveries faster and more reliable. From virtual fitting rooms to automated warehouses, AI is at the forefront of retail innovation. AI personalizes learning experiences for students, adapting to their pace and style. This individualized approach helps students grasp concepts more effectively and fosters a love for learning. Automated grading and administrative tasks are now possible with AI, freeing educators to focus on teaching. AI also creates adaptive learning environments, catering to diverse educational needs. Understanding the ethical challenges AI presents is crucial. Issues like bias, privacy, and accountability must be addressed to ensure AI benefits everyone. Responsible AI development and deployment are essential. Balancing innovation with privacy and security concerns is key to building trust and ensuring ethical progress. Staying informed about AI is crucial for everyone. By understanding its potential and challenges, we can harness its power for personal and professional growth. Join the AI revolution and be part of the change. Embrace AI technologies to enhance your skills and opportunities. Together, we can shape a future where AI benefits all. Recap. We've explored AI's impact across industries, from healthcare to education. Understanding AI's ethical implications and embracing its potential is vital for a better future. By staying informed and engaged, you'll be ready to leverage AI for growth and innovation. Let's embrace this exciting journey together. Call to action. Dive deeper into AI. Explore resources, join discussions, and stay curious. Together, we can lead the way in this AI-driven world. Start today and be part of the transformation.